If you choose us to do your paving, you're hiring a company, a locally owned family business that's been in the paving business for over 50 years. We have an experienced sales staff of project managers that understand the process of paving, and we have a great operations team that's going to help coordinate your project, and we're going to do your project with the least interruption as possible. We like to think of ourselves as a one-stop shop for paving, so we always say we'll do a pothole all the way up to a highway. We really believe that because, that pothole may be as important to you today as replacing your parking lot is 5 years from now. And so we're going to be there for you if you want to just fix it today, and we'll be there for you when you want to replace it in 4 or 5 years. A couple of differentiators for us. One is going to be communication. I feel like we really do a good job with that because we have our project managers are really in the know of all the jobs that they have going on. And then we have, also our ops team that helps enter in that too. Two, I think our quality is probably unmatched out there. Third one would be our list of services and kind of being a one-stop shop so that we can install the parking lot from you from the beginning, or we can repave it if it's already there, and then we can maintain it, seal it, stripe it, keep it for you, years and years beyond the install. So if you're looking for, a paving contractor you can trust, we've been in business for 50 years. We're family owned. We got an experienced team, a long, long list of clients that have continued to use us through the years. And again, we're going to have someone that's assigned to your job, a project manager that would be a reliable, well-communicating person to help take care of your needs. And we're going to be there, if there's maintenance that needs to be done down the road, or if you need something down the road added or changed, we're going to be there because we always have been.